Hi there, and for this video, we're going to teach you how to send crypto from your Coinbase to another wallet. Now, there are two ways to go about this, but let's first go to the site where we need to get the wallet address. Now, for example, I am here on Bybit. Let's say I want to transfer to my Bybit wallet. Just click on deposit. Let's say we are moving Ethereum using the ERC20. Acknowledge. Now, we need to copy this address. Go back to Coinbase and you have the option to send crypto. As you can see, it's email, address, invoice, or ENS. You can simply paste that address, tap on that, and you would normally be in the transaction screen. However, I do not have compatible assets, so I cannot show you that through this. The other way is to go to the top right on the 9 dots icon beside your profile and go to your wallet. When you click on that, that will direct you to your Coinbase wallet. And once here, you have the option to send as well. Now, once again, I cannot bring up the panel that shows you how to copy the address because, for example, if I go to receive, my Ethereum wallet is right here. If I go to send, I would need at least some assets in the account. However, if you do want to send, you have to make sure to test by sending a small amount first, always with the crypto, to make sure that the network you're using is indeed correct, the wallet and everything is correct. You have to do test transfers. Still, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, maybe leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.